विसावपरा नेवकार बालवाडींची स्थिती वायट स्थितीत आसत तर त्यो बेगिना बेगीन त्या सुवाते वयल्यान हालून दुसऱ्या सुवातेत स्थलांतर करतले, जाणे करून भुरगीं सुरक्षीत उरतली. रोखडीच बालवाड्यांनी सुदारणा करतले म्हण महिला आनी भुरगीं विकास खात्याचे मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयल्यात. IDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीस.
Which are in very bad condition, we will immediately put a stop to it and shift it to immediately a new location, because they are in rented premises and the owner doesn't want to.
There are somebody's houses also.
I am aware. So I have asked them to give me a detailed thing. So we are working on it so that the children are safe. Then now we have given all of them uniforms and all to create a different type of environment and create different type of vibrancy. We want to now Vedanta has given us an offer to take up 59 Anganwadis to do it. They have given us the locations also. Okay. And in areas where they operate, they would like to spend money in doing these centers. And same time, we have got about 2 to 3 crores of rupees with us, which after consulting Honorable Chief Minister will place it at the at JSIDC so that we can take up upgradation of our few more Anganwadis. And also, I started, let us set an example from Sattari and Sanghe. 24th is my meeting. If I ask verbally, you will not get. So I have asked them to come with photographs. 24th first I'll analyze all the schemes, and then second round of meeting they will be presenting each and every Anganwadi with photographs, with the pictures of the bathroom, each and everything. Unless that is done, you can't move forward.